Welcome to another video. So today this is the analysis. Again, I'm looking for shorts. So right now what I have here is in the 1 hour chart. As you can see, we took buy side liquidity here and we rejected right there. Price got rejected right there. So then I got this fair value gap right here that you can see, and price passed and closed below that fair value gap. So what I'm expecting right now is that this green candle, I'm expecting it to close below the 50% of the fair value gap or completely below. That's the ideal scenario for me. Or to take a short in the 15-minute chart, as you can see, I want this 15-minute candle to close below this inversion fair value gap in red that you see here. So basically what happens sometimes with price is that you create the high of the day and then you rally down, as you can see here, and sometimes this the price can go create an upward movement here, but it just stop almost at the top of the high of the day. So sometimes you get that and then price starts to go down again. So to me, if we are going to go down with the price, this rally up is normal and it can go almost to the top. So if you use a Fibonacci, you can see that this retracement got to the 75% of this downward movement. So that's a good area to think that the price will reverse. So that's what I'm waiting for. If I get the close of this candle below this inversion fair value gap, I can think of taking shorts. So in the 1 minute, that means that I took this liquidity right here. I'm gonna mark it so you can see it. So this is the buy side liquidity. Okay, it has been taken, and then as you can see, price created this this liquidity right here in this pivot right here. So if price closes below this low right here, and I'm gonna mark it, that for me is a shift in market structure. If price goes below here and closes below this line, then I can wait for a retracement and try to take a trade to the short side. So that's this. So it will be a stop of 5 or maybe 9 handles, and I will try to reach for the low, this low right here, or even this lows right here. So I'm gonna add them to the chart so you can see it. So this will be my first target here, the first one, and the second one, and the third one will be these two right here. Okay, so that's the analysis that I have. So I just need to wait for the setup to appear in the chart and then take the trade. So let's see what happens next. Okay, welcome back. So well, as you can see, I'm not getting what I expected in terms of fair value gaps and price closing below them in the 1 hour chart, as I mentioned, and also in the 15. But also what I'm looking is that, as I mentioned also, is that price sometimes goes almost to the high of the day and then it starts going down. So what I did is that I took a trade here. As you can see, I marked here the shift in market structure and I took the trade. So I'm gonna show you my account. This is a Darwinex Zero account that I'm trading right now. So the trade is here. It's a short. A stop is above the high of the day, and I'm going to I'm targeting these levels right here. So this is a one-to-one setup. I only take one-to-one setups, so this is what I was expecting, and kind of forgetting what's happening here with the 15-minute chart and the 1 hour chart, and only waiting for this shift in market structure that I was not getting at any point before here in the 1 minute chart. So this is the chip, this is the low, then price goes up, then it breaks that low, and then I enter there. So I hope the price gets to the target, and let's see if I can get uh, a winning trade today. Okay, so uh, the price hit target, so this is a winning trade for me today, and that's good. So what I'm looking here is that, yeah, sometimes you get cleaner setups like this one, not like yesterday. Yesterday's price action was wild, so I got this movement right here in the one, which is this one, yeah, and then the 350 macro, the down movement yesterday, and then price just went down, right, without me. So right now I decided to take the trade in the first shifting market structure, and then price went to my favor this time, and then in the 350 macro we have here a counter movement, and then the 350 macro violence that we know that happens every day, price went to my target. So you can see here another shift in market structure right here at these levels, right here, and then a retracement of the price to the 50% of the movement, 50% or more, and that's when the price start to react and going down, right? So that's why what I was expecting. So today for me is a winning trade. Again, patience always pays, and I'm very very happy of this trade that I waited until the last time of the day to take the trade. If I, for example, wanted to take the trade before, and maybe a stop, I would take a stop, right? So that's not what I want. So that's why I wait. I wait for the last time, until the last time, and then the trade went my way, right? So as you can see here in the 15-minute chart, we have this big candle right here, and also this one that is closing below the last green candle. And that's a sign that the the price can go down, right? To what levels? Well, first this fair value gap that was left open, that's one target, and then price can go here, right, to this low, for example. If we go to the 1 hour chart, same thing. You can see here that we can go to this low, or also to this fair value gap right here that is left open. Okay, so that's it for today. Good trade today, good trading day, and see you next time.